Welcome back, everybody. It is ride day. We're going to Born Free today. We got a couple people here already. I'm not the only Sportster today. We're gonna eat breakfast, then we're gonna hit the road. A bunch more people that showed up here. Got our usual Josh, Johnny, JR, and friends. Get up! Yeah, we've got two other sporties with us today. There's one of them right there. And we've got another Sportster anniversary behind me. Here's that anniversary chop. It's pretty cool. Got like 8 over forks on there. I think the last group ride I did, we're not going very far, but the last big group ride I did was like, 6 months ago or something. Way, way too long ago. Don't know how I got up here. Howdy! Later, guy. No oil leaks. Looks like we're doing good. And look at those high knees. Those 8 over forks really take it up. Here we are at Old Orange on the scooters. Hello, scooters. Ooh, the pointy boy lights. Just fucking shut off, you little piece of shit. Bye, friends! Guess this is like the fill-up spot. Oh, and he's confident. One shot. Oh, look at those tiny fishtails. That's cool as shit. Oh, she made it! I'm so glad she was ready in time for this. Alright, so I'll remember I'm parked beside you. Do you remember your park beside me? Okay. Sure! Yours is the black Lowrider S, right? We're here, and there's a breeze. Awesome. Go support these guys. She-Wolf. Very cool guys.
Yeah, I like it a lot.
I like that one. Alright, let's see if we can find the boys. Tracker Die again, I'll say it 100 times. Go to Tracker Die. Buy check them out. Get your work done there. Awesome dudes. So this is one of the guys at Tracker Die. This is his chopper he built for this show. Awesome. Think they'll give me a beard trim? I need a trim. It's getting long. The FXRs are really growing on me. The FXR section is super f***ing cool. Dude, way cooler this year. Like literally temperature cooler, but also I just like it a lot more this year. I don't know why. Good time though. We're out in the parking, but I had to stop for this one.
Tractor! 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 Tractor!
That's commitment. Apparently we got here early this year. There's a shitload more people now. And we are done. All right, and we have come to the end of our Born Free adventure. Time to go to Buddy's house, have some tacos. Tacos and beer. Tacos and beer. All right, I fucking hate riding on gravel, but I made it 2 up on gravel. On top of that, it's not a good time. Oh, what's up, man? We got a subscriber friend. Honestly, first subscriber I've ever met in person. Took me off guard. He called me by my YouTube name and I didn't register it. I'd consider that a pretty successful Born Free adventure. I was there much longer this time than I was before. And I knew a lot more people at this one than I did at the last one. So that made it more enjoyable too. Oh, look at the view. Enjoy the view. Hey fellas. I think I see him out there. The cops are out. Whoop whoop. Oh, the fast boys with the apes. Prefer the T-bars much more than the apes, honestly. Way more comfortable. At 187 miles-ish on the new motor here. Not bad, not bad. I should probably do several hundred more though. Oh, I keep getting the helmet taps from behind. Makes me laugh. Well, somebody's in a hurry. Damn, this girl's bike is loud as fuck. Very nice, the sports to friends. Cool. Nice meeting you.
Loyal subscriber.
He has an ice chest. Whoa, bud. Your helmet is falling apart. I can't wait till I can really open this thing up, man. Because with this exhaust on the last set of cylinders I had, I'm sure it'll be similar, but probably horsepower gains too, but the torque just goes way further. I got no tack, so I do my shifting and riding off of feel and sound. This exhaust is harder to hear, but I can still, you know, feel, especially with these bars. Look at how much they shake. They shake so much. What up, fellas? There's a lot of old people and antique shops. See? Old people.
Boom. Roasted.
I think there's a place with like 30-something beers on tap. The Wall, I think it's called. Used to be... Oh, there it is. The Wall. Ooh, it smells like garlic bread. I'm a child. I accept it. Oh, stop it. No, you stop it. What? I'm not doing anything. Too much fun. Oh, is that the Crystal Cathedral? I think that might be the Crystal Cathedral. That's pretty cool. Pretty cool. I smell oil. I got so much residual oil burning off this thing. I smell it all the time. Alright, well time for some food. Here we are at the end of a long day. We went over and had some birria tacos and pupusas. Delicious. Later, brother, you too. I guess that guy runs like a food truck or like a taco stand, like party reservation kind of thing. And I guess once a year he does it for his own neighborhood like that. Dude, it was popping. Tons of people. I'm glad we came back for those. Now the fun of the day is done. The bike performed real freaking well. I probably ran it a little harder than I should have, but no problems. But yeah, bike's been awesome so far. We're 204 miles in. I think I'm gonna run the full 500 miles. I just gotta run like 60, 65 miles an hour on the freeway. Just don't go too fast and it'll be fine. That UPS driver took his mirror in for me. What a nice dude. Oh, that gallop. I think I need to turn the idle up just a little bit. Whoops. Popped a little accidental mini wheelie there. Apparently I still gotta be super careful with the clutch while I got my passenger. Right, and here we are back on the freeway for another outro. Something definitely outside the norm for me. But anyway, thanks for coming to check out the video, guys. I had an awesome time today. Riding with old friends, meeting new friends, meeting a subscriber. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I will see y'all in the next video. And until then, y'all ride safe now, you hear?